Hi, this is Pat from Fresh 19. Welcome to our kitchen. Today I will be preparing spaghetti aglio with anchovies. In my childhood home, spaghetti aglio was a traditional dish served every Christmas Eve. It is a very simple dish to prepare and takes less than a half an hour from start to finish. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients or spices, and most likely you already have most of the ingredients in your pantry. The most time-consuming part when you are preparing this dish is boiling the water for the spaghetti. Once you have tried spaghetti aglio, you will want to serve this dish often. Be creative and mangia.